What if India could destroy drones, missiles, and enemy electronics at the speed of light? No bullets, no explosions, just pure energy. These are directed energy weapons, the futuristic weapons India is rapidly developing to dominate next-generation warfare. Many of these weapons are already being tested. India's defense agencies like Defense Research and Development Organization are working on high-power laser systems capable of burning through drones, missiles, and even enemy surveillance systems. One of the most advanced projects is the Integrated Air Defense Weapon System, a laser-based weapon designed to neutralize aerial threats within seconds. India is also developing microwave weapons that can fry enemy electronics without physically destroying targets. Examples include Mk2A, a 30 kW vehicle-mounted system can destroy drones and sensors within a 5 km range. Wave Strike, an HPM-based directed energy weapon rapidly deployable designed to disable the electronic systems of unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs. Durga 2, a 100 kW capability aims to have general-purpose defense capability spanning all domains such as fighter aircraft, ships, and ground vehicles. Surya, a 300 kW powered weapon can function efficiently at a distance of 20 km. Unlike traditional missiles, directed energy weapons are extremely fast, highly accurate, and far cheaper per attack. A laser shot can cost just a few dollars compared to missiles worth millions. Military experts believe directed energy weapons could completely change the future of warfare. In future wars, battles may not begin with gunfire but with invisible beams of energy crossing the sky. And India wants to be among the global leaders in this deadly technology race. Would you trust laser weapons to defend a nation? Comment below and subscribe for more future warfare documentaries.